left Anchorage. It's about 12:30 right now. Got a little late start. We're supposed to leave 9:30, but
What up, fellas? How you be living?
anyways, yeah, we're gonna go pick up the boat. We're heading to Fairbanks. We're gonna get gas at Houston. That's where you want to go.
That's the only stop we ever make every time.
Anyways, we're gonna get gas on cue the montage when we get there. Dude. Fuck, man. How do you do that forever? What's up, y'all? Just got to Fairbanks. About 6-7 hours. Plan is go grab the boat. Oh yeah, I don't know if I explained why we're going to Fairbanks. It's because the welding shop is here. And like we gotta pick up the boat and then drive it all the way back to Anchorage because that's where we're residing right now. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do, but we're gonna pick it up for sure. Maybe grab something to eat, and then we're driving back tonight. So another 6-7 hours. It's probably too dark to show you guys the whole boat, so we'll probably do that tomorrow. Just now pulling up to the boat. Am I doing something wrong?
Is that loose all the way? Doesn't seem like it's loose all the way or something.
What's that?
The ball? Oh, shit.
Ice cold Eskimo might freeze before we even get it back to Anchorage.
Yeah, it's cold up here. Fairbanks. Should be good right there. I think it should be able to fall in. There it goes, finally. Looks like. Here I am. Record. I gotta warm up a little.
Boy, shaking like a stripper. Let me get the camera on him. He's shaking like a stripper, dude.
Cold as hell.
We're about to go to Sin Rock tonight here in Fairbanks. Check out the drinks.
Check out the talent. Woo!
I feel icicles growing inside my nostrils right now. That's how cold it is.
Holy crap.
No gloves or nothing nobody brought?
Yo, if anybody knows what the frick this is for, let me know. You know what that's for, Ev?
I'm not even sure. Some sort of extra safety.
No, it's a trailer brake. If you have electrical electronic trailer brake, you'd hook that to.
Oh, hook like this?
Yeah.
Hook it to what?
It's supposed to be like a little. On the newer cars, they have electronic brakes. You're supposed to hook that to that.
What?
just for
Tell me
safety.
how electric it hooks to this.
Nothing.
It's just a safety precaution. So when the ball hits its dragging, it's supposed to pull that. But I usually,
So where do you put it?
I don't know, I would throw it up in there or something. Doesn't matter really where.
That's how you know it's an amateur hour. Nobody brought gloves or nothing for up here.
Let's just hope that doesn't.
We'll check it after we go pull up somewhere else.
Let's just hope that doesn't fall off when we're going all the way back to Hangtown, you know? Yo, where does this go?
I just said on the little hook right there.
Right here?
You could go there or you could go there.
Just gonna look at my dad's nostrils. You see the icicles forming.
Well, that's where it's going, but you guys see the cab? I'll give you guys a little preview before we give you the full tour tomorrow. You need the inside details, you know? But, yeah. Shout out the welding shop.
Here's the old center console.
I think just doing our pre-check before we leave.
A little preview, I'll give you more details once we get this all cleaned out. Get this snow out of here. We don't have a heated garage, but... Oh. Anyways, that's a little preview. We're gonna go see, maybe get some food. It's pretty cold out here. It's like 5 degrees or so. You couldn't close the door?
You're the one who can left it.
Heating up the outdoors, you know?
Why'd you leave it open? Like
Well, I
you're
thought
about
you
to be
would've-
quick. I'm not gonna close it.
That's a little preview. We're rookies on towing boats, so if that thing falls off by the time we get to Anchorage, just know we warned you that we're rookies. So it looks good towing though.
We'll check it after we go to the next one.
Damn near about to get frostbite anyways. We gotta make it back to Anchorage tonight. It's 7 o'clock right now. We gotta make it back to Anchorage. We got customer vehicles to work on tomorrow, so probably be like 2 a.m. 1 to 2 a.m. by the time we get back home tonight. We're gonna take it slow. The roads are pretty slick. I mean, very slick. We were sliding in 2-wheel. We had to kick it into 4. But yeah, we'll figure this stuff out, and then we'll see you guys. What's up, y'all? We're in Denali right now. Anyways, we're taking a piss break. Pretty solid drive so far. We're slipping a little bit in the pass coming up from Fairbanks. It's cold as ice cold Eskimo outside. It's like -9, -11 degrees out there. So hopefully we don't freeze taking a little quick piss break, but we're gonna check if the boat's all right. And then we'll see you guys back in Hangtown now.
Freezing out, but, you know, like you say, it's December in Alaska. It's a classic right there.
Anything from Moose Mobile 3? Our manager?
It's cold. It's Fairbanks. I mean, I get it. Good trip. That's all I gotta say, really.
All right, we'll check in batter. We might see the little black hammer or what? Walking to Narnia just to take a rip of piss, huh? You walking to Narnia to rip a piss or what? Anyways, we're in Denali right now, one of the rest areas. It's a ghost town here. I mean, if anybody's wondering why or what it's like in Denali in December, it's pretty much a ghost town. So yeah, we'll rip a piss and then we'll be in Anchorage about 3 in the morning. Then we have work at 8 a.m. So we'll see you guys later. What's up, y'all? MMT just made it to Anchorage, you know. It's the Yuki's first time here. Well, it's 4 a.m. now. We're pretty tired. So, plan tonight is put the boat up, park it up, and then we'll get you guys a video of a full tour when the boat's complete. I got all the seats in it. Everything I want to do, windows, everything. We'll get you guys a video of the whole finished build. He's just waking up. Anyways, yeah, we're in Anchorage now. We got the boat safe and sound. All we got to do is make it to the house, and then